I am installing this remote power button to my computer so that I can have it closed up down here. How cool does that sound? I've got the USB ports there, memory cards, so that everything can be closed up underneath here. I bought this button, and then this plugs in underneath, and it goes to here, which I cut here, and this is the rest of it. Let's see here. Goes down, it goes down there to where the power button switches are, and instead of having this one work and light up, will now be wired through here. And of course I just rigged this up. I didn't have any decent connectors or anything. I had this laying around, so I hot glued it in, wired it up. I made a chart here of the original wires and marked everything and soldered everything, and right here. So hopefully when I hook it all up, I'm going to plug this in just like a regular Cat 5 cable, and hopefully it'll work. We'll see. We'll check it out in 1 minute. Okay, here's the computer back underneath the cabinet. Let's hit this button. Let's see what happens. I'm so excited. Oh man. That is so cool. I mean, come on. That's pretty cool, right? I can just close this up. Now there's all the pretty lights on. Let's see. So now all you need is these. Here's the power button. Sorry about that. I said to put it to sleep as well. So, put the computer to sleep. Man, that is so cool. There it is. It'll just flash, I suppose. So, okay, well, thanks guys. I've got all kinds of cool little DIY things I like to do, so this button was $11 on Amazon. I couldn't really find it anyplace else. And there's surely easier ways to set it up than I did, but I want to be able to disconnect it, you know, just unplug it whenever I wanted to. Because I'm always disconnecting my computer, so I wanted to be able to just pull it out. Here it is again, one last time. And I do stuff like this all the time. You guys are interested in this kind of stuff, I think it's cool. I can show you other stuff I've done. Here, here's the cabinet. You can see down there. Let's see here. There it is in there. Yeah, so if you guys like this kind of stuff, let me know. As you can see, I've rigged up my whole kitchen. Did it as cheaply as possible. Everything as cheaply as possible. And it looks pretty decent for someone who doesn't know how to do anything.